What's going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to be bringing you guys a vlog. We are on our way to Leavenworth. We're going to be staying at a hotel that's pretty fancy and it's $500 a night. We have to go on a Thursday because if we go on the weekend, and it's a 2-night minimum. So we're going today on a Thursday night, that way we don't have to do 2 nights. And it has like a super cool little spa and pool and fancy rooms and everything. It's like at the bottom of a little like mountain town with snow and stuff, so it should be cool and relaxing. And we haven't gone on a little vacation in a while. And then tomorrow we are going to be going to Bellevue for a real estate course, so we're going to do that, and yeah, we'll see where we go. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Why are you excited?
I'm honestly just excited for spending time with you. I feel like that's one of the biggest sacrifices I've made going to school, is spending time with people that I love. And so yeah, and I'm excited for the webinar too. I want to learn something new. Pleasure, have a great day. You too.
So we're at Chick-fil-A. We always got to go to Chick-fil-A whenever we can. It's the closest one to where we live is like almost an hour away. So we had to get some lunch while we were near one. Okay, so after driving about 3 hours, we have made it to Post Hotel. That's what it looks like, and let's go check in. Okay, let's do a little tour of the hotel room. We got a shower, very nice, fancy little shower. Then we got the massive tub, which is supposedly hand-carved marble. It's super thick, really big. So there's that, that's awesome. And then we just got some more nice stone for the double vanity. And then we got the bedroom with some nice cabinets and stuff. There's the bed. Then we got a couch. We also got a fireplace. And then if we step outside, since we got a balcony room, down there on the bottom there's a pool down there that goes, you can swim from the inside of the building to the outside. So we got the pool down there, and then we got the mountains in the background, since this little town is nestled at the bottom of the mountains. And then there's also a river down there that passes by. Okay, we're gonna test the bed out, see if it's comfy or not. So let's jump on it. Come on. What do you think?
Not as comfortable as ours, but it's not bad.
It's not bad.
Yeah. It's better than all the other beds we slept in.
From other hotels?
Yeah.
For $500, it's all right. It's not bad. Yo, I just noticed this, but this is pretty cool. Okay, you can close this up. That is pretty cool. If you want a little privacy. What? I
gonna post a video.
I gotta show the vlog.
When your husband's a YouTuber.
Okay, so check out what Alberta just noticed. That if you close it from this side, there's 2 mirrors in the doors. Cool, huh?
It looks super cool.
Okay, we ended up at a wine tasting place, so we're gonna do some wine tasting. We got the first one right here. And let's give it a go.
Oh, they go out of school. It's strong.
Nice. That's what I like.
It's a shot. It tastes like tequila a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Right? It's strong.
Ring toss.
Okay, the person who loses takes a shot.
Takes a shot?
Yeah.
Oh my god, okay.
Oh no, they have to chug all the wine.
Chug one of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh!
Oh.
I got it. There you go. So that means you have to chug one.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, since she lost, she has to drink this whole one to herself.
Try this one too.
Okay, let me get a little sip first.
Let me see.
Come on. Quick. Hurry. Come on. So much for tasting. Oh
That was
my
super
god.
dry.
Okay, I guess we're gonna play this game every single time now to see who ends up drinking it. Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
So we'll count that as a win for you.
Yes.
Try it first.
Yep.
The smell reminds me of church.
Oh yeah, that's true.
What is
It's
wine, right?
probably the same one.
It's not that hard to chug it.
Yeah.
Shots are way better. At
Really?
worst, I mean.
No, I feel like shots are better.
I feel like this last one we should just enjoy it.
I know, that's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna try this super hot sauce.
Wait, we are? You are? Too?
You are.
But you
I'm
said
not.
we are?
Okay, I'm watching. I'm guiding you. So get a pretzel. A little bit, just a little bit. That's a lot. You're gonna die.
Damn, I can smell it from here.
You're gonna die. You think that's a lot? Look how much she put on it.
Yeah, good luck.
That's a lot, see?
May the odds be in your favor.
See?
Both gonna try it?
No. I know I won't be able to handle it.
We do sell hotter things, obviously, than that. But
Oh yeah? This is the popular one though, right?
Yeah, that's hot. I'm just gonna eat these pretzels, okay? That's hot. Oh my god.
How hot is it?
well, what do you think?
It's hot. It's not extremely hot, but it's pretty hot.
It'll last about 20, 30 minutes. The best thing.
Yeah, I'll get a ton of them.
Oh my god. She's tapping out. And you can take a lot.
Dude, it's burning. I can't even breathe.
That's like the biggest garbage I've ever seen in my life. Throw it in there. Just throw it in there. Literally the biggest garbage I've ever seen. Okay guys, I
Okay.
forgot to tell you guys that basically this town is like super,
Show them the mountains.
Like-
Look at the mountains.
what is this, like a German style I think?
Yeah.
Everything is like super stylish.
Babe, show them.
I already showed them, look how close the damn mountain is. It's like at the bottom, we're at the bottom of it.
Okay, so I am a real Mexican because she said that was gonna last like 20 minutes. It's been like less than 5 minutes and I'm good.
This place is super popular for its lights during the Christmas time. And it looks like they're actually taking the lights off of these huge trees that they have around this place. Never seen them do that.
Yeah, because we've never been here.
After Christmas.
Yeah, no, but during Christmas, like this whole town is lit up with lights.
So we're in this pet store and I wanted to get something for my dog, but I don't really know what to get. So I don't know if I'm actually going to get anything. What do you think? It's kind of hard to think
there's
about
a
like
lot of
what you want, right? There's too much.
Back to the future. 1920, you guys.
Okay guys, so we already walked around the town, drank, ate, hung out, and now we are gonna go to the pool downstairs and check that out. So I'm not gonna be able to take the camera, so I'm hopefully gonna get footage on my iPhone, and yeah, I'll show you guys what that looks like if I can. Quick little fit check with the, what do you call this again?
A robe.
Robe. Okay. Okay, let's look at yours. Look how long it is. How tall are you?
I'm 5 feet.
5 feet, and
Yeah.
this thing is huge on her because she's small.
I'm not small, I'm petite.
Petite. But look at this. Okay, let's go. Say what's up. Hey.
Hey.
Okay, we are leaving the hotel. It's Friday. It's super early. It's like 6:30 in the morning. Now, one thing I didn't even notice about this mirror is that there's a TV in the mirror. So check that out. That's pretty cool. And then something else we realized was that the water comes out from there and there in the shower. And then it doesn't even have a drain. It's kind of tilted. So the water goes down this little slit right there. But other than that, pretty cool hotel. I think we got to come back at least one more time, right?
Yeah, we didn't get to enjoy it as much as we wished.
Yeah, we were only here for what, like 7 hours?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so we're at our new hotel in Bellevue. We went to a real estate workshop, first day of the 3-day workshop, and yeah, it was chill. Learned a little bit, and now we're gonna go eat because it's getting late, and we gotta make sure we eat before these restaurants close because a lot of them close early now. Okay, guys, so it is Saturday morning. It's Saturday, right? Yeah. I don't even know what day it is anymore. We got Blazing Bagels for breakfast. If you've never been here, if you ever come to Seattle, go to Blazing Bagels. It's super, super fire. They have tons of options. They have tons of bread options, tons of topping options, meat options, everything. I'm gonna eat it really quick, and then we're gonna go inside to day 2 of our seminar. Okay, so it's Sunday, and we are gonna leave the hotel now. I don't think I showed you guys this yet, but I got a jacket. It's kind of like a plum color. It's Arctery X, however you say that. So I got a new jacket. It was almost $300. Now, unfortunately, yesterday our car did break down, so we're gonna have to get it towed to the closest dealership, and we're gonna take an Uber to our last day of this seminar, and then somebody's gonna pick us up afterwards. We're gonna go back home, and then we're gonna come back tomorrow and pick up the car because it should hopefully be done.